Henan Sunrise Machinery Company Limited, established in 2015, is a professional supplier for cocoa bean processing machine, cashew nut processing machine, almond and hazelnut processing machine, peanut butter processing machine, nut roasting machine, powder grinding machine, fruit vegetable processing machine and milk processing line, etc. We are located in Zhengzhou City, Henan Province, with convenient transportation access. Thanks to our experienced technical team, our staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our products have been exported to clients in such countries and regions as US, Canada, Peru, Ecuador, Australia, India, Philippines, Malaysia, Uganda, Cameroon, Mauritius, Morocco, Venezuela, Thailand, etc. With reliable machine quality, excellent working performance, and thoughtful customer service, we win a lot of good feedback from our customers. With the help of our Indian partner, we can deliver the products door-to-door to our Indian clients, provide startup and commissioning assistance at site, and give prompt solutions whenever it's needed. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements, and we will provide our professional proposal as well as ideas, which is good for your future development. We sincerely expect that we can have opportunity to cooperate with you and become your honest partner in the long term.